Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, February 13th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So we do have CPI inflation data coming out today for the US dollar. Definitely going to have a big effect on all the dollar pairs. I'm still very bullish on the monthly time frame. I still think this looks like an ABC of wave Y, which I still believe is going to most likely go up and take out these highs before we do have that bigger turn to the downside. So let's take a look at it on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we still got our Fibonacci retracement on here. I'm still kind of expecting this is a 1 of C, we're in a wave 2 of C, and that eventually, maybe even today, this could start pushing up for the wave 3 of wave C, the 4 of C, and 5 of wave C. Just like the wave A has a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I believe the wave C of wave Y should also be a 5-wave pattern to the upside. So let's head down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame, I mean, we do have 3 waves down. We are sitting at a Fibonacci level. We did take out the lower wave 4. I mean, really, it does have all the characteristics that you would expect out of a wave 2. So with today's CPI news, if it causes it to go up, then I would say that pretty much would confirm that the wave 2 is over and that we definitely are going to spend the next several weeks, maybe even several months, looking for longs in a big wave 3. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, it still looks extremely overlapping and extremely corrective to me. It does kind of seem pretty likely that the dollar may try to push down one more time, but the move actually may be to the upside. So we're gonna have to keep a close eye. I mean, if this does go up and if it starts breaking structure to the upside at the news, then I would say it's probably going to tell us that the wave 2 is over and that we're starting a big wave 3, that we definitely want to be looking for longs in an uptrend. So going down to that 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, like I said, definitely a little bit difficult to really know direction because really we have not proved at all on the higher time frames that we're going up yet, which leads me to believe that we may actually go down. But then if that move down turns into like a spike reversal and then it goes up and takes out structure, that would definitely turn me into a buyer over the next several weeks, maybe even several months, because hopefully that's the confirmation we need to prove that the wave 2 is over and that we are starting a big wave 3. So as of now, I mean, based on my roadmap time frames, the higher time frames, I'm definitely still looking for shorts primarily. But hopefully today's news will confirm that this wave 2 is over. And if that's the case, then I will definitely turn into a buyer. Like I said, probably for at least another next several weeks and maybe even several months. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.